everybody, welcome my customer. Yeah, this is Ivana and this is Ovi. Welcome to visit our factory, Guangzhou SLUJ Special Chemical Company. Our company have 24 years old. And this is the TikTok and the TikTok influencer. Welcome,
Thank
Ivana.
you.
Welcome.
Hello, I'm from Cameroon. So if you want to make your brand, come here to customize your products.
Yes.
Here is the best company that can make your brand, hair product and cosmetics.
If you want to make your brand, you can choose your bottle, you can choose your packaging, and they'll produce it for you. Just come and you will not regret to produce your brand here.
Here you get everything you want. Make a choice, then they will produce it the way you want.
If you want to buy products to grow your hair, for babies, for men and for women, you can come here or you can personalize your brand. Depending on your need, you will choose the packaging, you will choose the ingredient inside and put your brand on the bottle. See how it's beautiful and the products are very good and very nice. Also, you can come here, you see, you have conditioners, you have shampoo, whatsoever you want to produce here, this company can help you and guide you on what is good for your business and to have a lot of money.
Take a look at all the products that is here. Your hair care products, your skincare, everything you want is in place. The only thing you have to do is, we can make your brand for you. You can start with any amount you want. But what we want is grow your business and also grow our own. So what are we saying? Come here and make a choice.
Yes.
Look at the products that we have.
Yeah.
Make your choice. Choose your ingredients just the way you want it. We make your bottle for you and we make your brand for you so that you can sell and we will sell. It's called win-win business.
This 2 AI machine
Okay.
is researched by my factory from 3 years. This
It's
machine,
a new product?
yes, new
compared
product
to others.
AI hair dye printer. My factory have researched this product for 3 years. This machine is only sell for the salon hair care store.
Okay.
Yes, this product we have cover our 1,000 store for the hair salon store. Yes, and also this machine is for the AI hair care replay machine. Very famous.
So this machine, this one is for?
This is for the hair color dye printer. Yes.
It helps to mix the dye.
To change color of the hair.
The color with your hair. And this one is the shampoo and conditioner together, means for
cream,
your suitable for your hair to repair your hair more smooth. Yes.
Okay, nice.
This is the new product by mine. You can use this one. You can choose this 16 seconds on your face, on your body, and then you can go to the sea to swimming. You can sampling.
Okay.
Do you know that?
SPF.
Yes, the SPF. It will protect your skin
from sun.
To not hot from the sun. Yes, right. Yes, we can solve it on the sea. And we can diving in the sea.
Okay.
Yes, we can.
You sell the machine?
Yes. We sell this machine. And also need to customize. MOQ is 100 piece.
Okay.
Yes, this machine for many near the overseer boss. Very like this seal. You can scan here. Then you can scan the score, and then you will use this color to put through your body about 16 seconds.
Okay.
Yes, you can provide your skin.
Okay.
No hot for the sun. Yes.
Very nice.
Yes, really nice. Dream China team. Okay, China team. Okay, practice. This is Cherry from SLUJ Director. This is my friend Ivana and this is my Ovi. Welcome to visit my factory.
Thank you. Hello.
Production line.
So here is the place where they mix all your products for hair and for skincare.
This is a very big factory where they mix everything. So you take a good look at it, you will know that we are capable to produce your items for you.
So after the mixture, they'll come in this room and put your products, your skincare, whatsoever. You will do your brand. After that, they'll go in that place to put in your customized bottle for you to sell.
So you are welcome to our company.
This is our filling line, filling production line.
So now this is almost the last stage of the fill in the container. If you can see, the container is empty. So from this process, they fill in the product inside the container, then move to this stage where they cover it, then over to the other room where they will repackage it in the. So from here, the product is almost done. So as you can see, this is a very big factory. So we are capable to handle your product.
Welcome to our packaging room.
Thank you.
This have 4 product line.
So here, this place is the finished product. You see how they are already packaged the goods. See, it's finished product. So if you want to make your brand, we are ready to personalize your product. Just contact us and you will be satisfied of the rest.
You see how it's being packaged. Very neat and very nice, right? See the way everything is being packaged. So here in this factory, everything will take time to package everything in a way that it will be good in your market. Look at it, everything is very nice. This is a very good factory and it's very good for your product. Allow us to make your product for you and it will sell well.
Okay, friend, welcome to my customer to the second production line. This is our second production line. Have 5 production lines here.
Okay, let us see that. If you want to do your brand, see how the factory is big. See how the factory is clean and professional. So don't be scared. Come and you will make money with us.
So what we are saying is that we keep telling you that here is the best and we will always produce the best for you here. Come and patronize us. You see, this is almost like the most famous product, the oil hair product that they have. Look at how nice, how beautiful the bottle is. You know, they say the appearance speaks more. If you look, you will see that the appearance of the bottle is very, very nice. This is hair oil. Just take a look at the package of this sample. It is very, very unique and nice. That is why we'll ask you to come here, make a choice of what you want, and we'll produce it just the way you want it. It's very nice.
Yeah, welcome Ivana and Ovi. This is our small warehouse. And today to visit our factory is the finally.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye bye.